Hi guys, welcome back to the Camperdan Files. My name is Chris, and in today's video, we are going to be replacing my intake boot here. Let me see if I can get a proper shot of this for you guys. There it is. You guys see that crack? Now, this boot was in great shape until recently. I don't know if this happened when I replaced my oxygen sensor or possibly the mass airflow sensor. I'm willing to bet that this happened when I did the oxygen sensor though, because I had to take this entire snorkel out when I did that repair just to get to the wiring down here. That blue wire, that's the upstream oxygen sensor. The black one, you guys can't see it there, but it's down there. But that blue one is still the OE. The black one is gonna be right there on the left side of it. But anyway, I'm pretty sure that this crack was caused by that repair when I was working to get the boot off and then back on again. When I did the mass airflow sensor, I didn't have to remove the snorkel or boot at all from my R50. I noticed this not too long after replacing a mass airflow sensor, but I don't think that occurred during that particular repair. But no worries, we have a replacement. So you guys would have seen this in the thumbnail by now, but this is the replacement intake boot. This guy, if you were to look for this through Nissan directly, it'll probably run you about 300 bucks. I did find a generic one on eBay as well, which was going for around 63 bucks. But this thing right here from Amazon was a whopping 25 bucks. So we're gonna go ahead and slap this on. I'm not gonna do much talking. Yeah, there are a few components that you're gonna have to swap over from your old assembly. The resonator box that lives down here, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. You can kind of see it right there, that box. And I'll point to it in the video with a pointer. With that box right there, and then this tube up here that has this wire connector for the mass airflow sensor attached to it. And then from there, you just put it in. I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up on a time lapse, and we'll get this thing torn down and replaced and buttoned back up. So here we go. Thanks again for stopping by the Camperdan Files. My name is Chris. If you've enjoyed today's video and you found it helpful, go ahead and smash that like button for me. And while you're at it, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, keep using your Pathfinder as a Pathfinder, on or off the pavement.